guys, Gina here, and welcome back to my channel. So I am right outside Walgreens. You guys really enjoyed my Walgreens in-store couponing video, so I've decided to go ahead and bring it back another week because your guys' feedback really tells me what you're liking versus what you are not liking. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that red subscribe button before we go further in the video, and let's just go ahead and hop into it. In terms of printable breakdowns, you guys, there will not be a printable breakdown here for Walgreens couponing deals because I feel like if I do the breakdowns for you guys, then I feel like you're not fully learning how to coupon. So, you know, I'm giving you guys the tools in terms of showing you where to get your coupons, how to get your coupons, and taking you in store and showing you everything. And I feel like you guys would benefit more, you know, not having that printable breakdown with you, because then you're able to teach the skill of couponing to someone else, which is really, for me, the goal that I want you guys to have from my channel is learning how to coupon and save money and then sharing that skill with someone else. So let's just go ahead now and hop into Walgreens. All right, you guys, so we have a really nice deal on some Colgate here at Walgreens. So the Colgate toothpaste, these guys are priced for $2.99 on sale, and when you buy two, you're going to get a $4 register reward that's gonna print. So what you're gonna do is buy two of them for $2.99, and then you wanna go ahead and use two of those printable $1 off one coupons. So these are the coupons from coupons.com, and there's also a coupon you can send to your Walgreens app. So if you want to use your Walgreens app coupon, you only have to print one of them. So you'll end up paying $2.98 out of pocket, but then you're going to get that $4 register reward back, making it $1.02 moneymaker. So pretty good deal on some Colgate here at Walgreens. So another really good deal is going to be on select Crest, Oral-B, and Scope products. So these guys are going to be priced for $3.99. So you're going to get a $7 register reward. So what I want you to do is pick up one of the Crest toothpaste. I also want you to pick up one of the Crest mouthwash, and I want you to pick up one of the Crest Oral-B flosses. So all three of them are going to be $11.97. And then we have $1 off one app coupons for the Crest toothpaste, the mouthwash, and the Oral-B floss in your Walgreens app. And then you're going to get a $7 register reward. So your final cost is going to be just 65 cents for each item after you factor in your coupons and that register reward. Okay, so we have a really nice baby deal here at Walgreens. So the Huggies are priced 2 for $18, and when you spend $25, you're going to get a $5 register reward. So what you want to do is pick up 4 of the Huggies, and we have a 4 off 2 coupon that's in the Walgreens app, and then we also have 3 off 2 coupons that came in our inserts. So what you want to do is, again, buy 4 of them for $36, use that 4 off 2 coupon with your Walgreens app, then use that 3 off 2 coupon from the inserts. So you'll end up paying $29, and then you're going to get a $5 register reward after your purchase, so it makes them just $6 each, and starting cost here at Walgreens is $12.99. So if you're in need of some diapers, then you know this is a really good deal that you might want to consider doing. Okay, so I absolutely love when this deal rolls around. I remember this deal from when I used to coupon at Walgreens, but the Black Forest organic gummies, these are priced for $1.99, and when you buy one, you're gonna get a $1.99 register reward, so it makes them free. So nice freebie, guys. Okay, so the school supply deal of the week is going to be on the Sharpie 2-pack highlighters. These are going to be priced for 49 cents, so not a bad deal on some highlighters. Okay, so another deal we have are on the Papermate mechanical pencils, as well as the Papermate pens. These guys are on sale for 49 cents as well. All right, you guys, so this is a repeat deal from this current sale cycle. So the Lysol wipes and also the Lysol multi-purpose cleaner, they are priced for $2.49 on sale. So regular price is $3.79. Oh my God, all my coupons just fell everywhere. And we have a $1 off 2 coupon that you can send to your Walgreens app, or you can get the insert coupon. So these are going to be $3.98 for 2 of them. So I think that's a really good deal, especially considering the starting price on this guy is $3.78. So you basically get the second one for 10 cents. All right, so scrubbing bubbles as well as Windex. This is priced for 2 for $6. And we currently have printable 75% off 1 coupons for the Windex. And then we also have 75% off 1 coupons for the scrubbing bubbles. So that'll make these guys just $4.50 for 2 of them, which I think is a really good deal, especially since the starting price is $4.79. So really good deal on some Windex and scrubbing bubbles. All right, so we have a really nice deal that you can take advantage of on Sunday. So there is going to be a coupon inside of your Walgreens ad for 99 cents for the 64 count of Smile and Save paper plates. So regular price on these guys are $1.99, and with that coupon you can get these for 99 cents. So you can also get the nice aluminum foil for 99 cents as well with that in-ad coupon. And then another deal we have is on the nice sandwich bags. So these are priced for $2.79, and when you buy 1 you're going to get 2 for free. So this is a killer deal. So you can do it on the sandwich bags, or you can do it on the gallon storage bags as well. As you can see, when I'm filming today, they're buy 1 get 1 free, but starting Sunday they're buy 1 get 2 free. Okay, so another really good deal is on the Charmin Mega Roll, the 6 roll. So these are on sale for $6.99, and my Walgreens app has a 2 off 1 coupon, so that'll drop this down to just $4.99. Okay, so another deal is on the Bounty 6 roll. So regular price on these are $12.99, and they're going to be on sale for $6.99, and you can use 2 off 1 Walgreens app coupon. So hopefully you guys have that coupon in your Walgreens app, so that'll make this just $4.99. So I think that's a killer deal, especially for Bounty. All right, you guys, so the Arm & Hammer laundry detergent is on sale for just $1.98. So regular price is $6.99, so $1.98 is a killer price. Okay, so another really good deal is on Campbell's soup. So it's the Campbell's and the Campbell's Well Yes soup. So they are priced for, so the Wellish Yes soups right here, they are priced 2 for $3 or $1.50 each. As you can see, the current sale cycle when I'm filming, today is Friday, they're priced for 2 for $4. So they're going to be even lower come Sunday. So another really good deal is going to be on the Butterball frozen ground turkey. So these are priced for $2.79, and they're buy 1 get 1 free. So you're going to get 2 of them for $2.79, which I think is a great deal. All right, you guys, so General Mills cereals here at Walgreens is going to be on sale for $1.88, and we have a $1 off 2 coupon that's in the Walgreens app. Alternatively, there's a printable $1 off 3 coupon. So these are going to be $2.78 for the both of them, which I think is a great deal because this regular price on these are $2.99. So essentially with the sale and the coupon, you're getting 1 of them for free. All right, so another really good grocery deal is on the Jell-O pudding and Jell-O mix. So they are priced 2 for $1 or 50 cents each, which is a great deal. However, the selection is very small. So if you're hoping for sugar-free, I don't think that sugar-free will be a win for you this week. Walgreens, out of all the drugstores, in my opinion, has one of the best grocery sections that I have ever seen. So there is a ton of stuff here. And I think my favorite deal is probably the frozen ground turkey. Yeah, that's got to be my favorite grocery deal this week. Comment below what your favorite grocery deal is at Walgreens, and let me know if you guys have more Walgreens versus CVS, because I'm really curious in terms of like the different drugstores you have around you. So are there more Walgreens versus CVS's? I'm just curious. Okay, so another deal is on the Lindsay olives. These guys are on sale for 99 cents. So the regular price on these guys are $2.29, so 99 cents, great deal. All right, so another grocery deal we have is on the Philadelphia cream cheese. These guys are priced 2 for $4. Okay, so another really good deal is on the Hershey's Kisses. So these are priced for 2 for $6 on sale, and we currently have printable $1 off 1 coupons. Now you must buy 2 of them to get that 2 for $6 price, so it makes them 2 for $4 or $2 each, and the current sale cycle right now is 2 for $7. So for whatever reason, the next upcoming sale cycle, everything is less expensive. All right, you guys, so that's everything I have to share with you this week here in Walgreens. Oh my gosh, look at how cute this is. Gina, I don't need this, but I could just see myself in Vegas like sipping this at the pool. Like I can just like envision this should be mine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like it and comment below if you're enjoying these Walgreens videos so I know to keep on doing them. I recently released a shirt, a couponing shirt, so I'll leave that campaign on Bonfire. We need to get at least 11 purchased for them to be able to be printed. So I'll have everything linked below. All the proceeds are going to be going to my new charity, which is called Periods Happen. So if you want to learn more about what I am doing, I will have that video listed as well. So I hope you guys have a fantastic Saturday, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.